France is once again in the middle of a political storm. Prime Minister Sébastien Lecornu has resigned just hours after unveiling his cabinet, making his government the shortest-lived government in modern French history. The resignation came only days before the government was set to present its 2026 budget bill to Parliament. President Emmanuel Macron has asked the outgoing Prime Minister to stay on temporarily and hold talks with political parties in an effort to steer the country out of its latest crisis. Lecornu has agreed, but the task ahead is daunting. Under French law, the government must submit its 2026 budget bill by October 7th, although it can be delayed to mid-month. If the bill isn't presented in time, the government risks shutdown. In that case, Paris could be forced to pass emergency legislation to authorize spending, taxation, and borrowing from January 1st just to keep the state functioning. France's political instability has deepened since 2022, when President Macron lost his majority in parliament. Since then, 5 prime ministers have tried and failed to stabilize the government and fix the country's widening fiscal deficit. As Europe's third largest economy, France has a fiscal deficit nearly double the European Union's 3% limit and a debt-to-GDP ratio heading towards 115%. If Lecornu cannot break the deadlock, Macron faces an impossible choice: appoint another prime minister, call for snap elections, or resign. But none of these paths are simple. If he names a prime minister, he might not be able to nominate an ally. If he appoints a leftist candidate, they would undo some key policies like pension reform and also tax the rich. The move would annoy other members of his coalition. Calling early elections could backfire too, with the far right likely to make major gains. And a hung parliament could plunge France deeper into chaos. The final option, resignation, is something Macron has repeatedly ruled out. For now, France remains in limbo, without a functioning government, without a clear budget plan, and with mounting pressure on its president to deliver political stability.